Now it's time to try some of these babies on. I moved the camera closer so that it's easier for you to see. Put a little chair up here so I can sit down. Okay, first we need to pick out a sample. So let's pick out, I think one of these is really pretty, okay? I'm going to pick out that sample, and I'm going to put it onto one of my sample wheels. First I need to push the cuticle back on your nail. Okay. Then what we need to do is take a cotton ball. At home you can use rubbing alcohol. Jamberry has an awesome nail cleanser. The bottles are really cool. You just open it, push it down once, and it's a one-hand application. Take that, wipe off your nail to make sure you take off any dirt or oil that might be on your nail. After that, on your full sheet of wraps, which is much easier than these little pieces, you are going to, in the video they use the orange sticks. I'm not real good with that. I have to use my, which I don't even see, so I'm going to be using it. I'll use tweezers a lot of times to help me get a hold of these. So you just pull it up halfway, cut it in half. Okay. Then take a hold of the edge that you cut, not the curved edge, because the curved edge is what's going to go near your cuticle. So I'm going to take a hold of that, and then I'm going to hold it in front of my heater. But at home, you can use a hair dryer, or there's lots of different heat sources. Winter's coming. We turned our gas stove on. Last winter, all winter long, I sat in front of my gas heating stove that blows warm to hot air and did my nails. Hold it in front of your heat for about 3 to 5 seconds, and you'll see it curl just a little bit. Let's see if you can see that. See how it curls up just a little bit? Okay. Then what we do is we take and we put the wrap on close to the cuticle, but not touching it, and then push right in the middle. And then I go straight up the middle, and then the sides, because if you have somebody that has really curvy nails, you're so much more less likely to get bubbles or wrinkles when you start and push straight up the middle, then the sides. Okay, now what we need to do is take some scissors or clippers. Scissors do work better. Trim it just a little bit. Don't worry about getting real close, because we can file what's left off. I'm going to take your nail file now and just go straight down at a 90-degree angle. And what's left, you'll see, will start to roll off. Now, if you have really short nails, it is much better to try to cut the wrap as close as possible, because it's really hard to file. Like this one for me, it's hard to file, so I have to cut it as close as possible. Now, after you've filed it, go ahead and heat it one more time, just for a couple seconds. Give it another press. And there you go. You're good to go. Isn't that pretty? I did it right next to the Broga one. Now, what I do is, whenever I'm around heat, like after I take a shower and I'm blowing my hair dry, I give my nails a shot of heat and give them a little press down. Or if I'm around some other kind of heat and I feel a little tips a little rough, like my heater, I just take, don't touch your finger, just take and touch your nail to the heat, and it seals the tips down. After doing dishes, hot water, I give them a push. Okay? Basically, that's it to applying our wraps. Pretty darn cool. Now, go ahead back, count all those Jamberries I just said, and comment to earn your funny money. See you in a bit.